Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to see S7 300 PLC emulator to WinCC SCADA simulation. So I'll just go ahead and pick up any CPU here. I'll prefer 317 2PNDP ladder OB1. Next, I'll give it OPC test and I'll finish. So now I'll go in block. I'll make a simple on-off circuit. I'll take ANO. I'll address it as I 0.0 and I'll take NC addressing it as I 0.1. Then we do have output. It's Q 0.0 and I'm branching Q 0.0. Our network is up and I'll just add M 0.0. I'll pick it up. Now I'll add another NC M 0.1. Consider I 0.0 and I 0.1 for physical input interruptions and consider M0.0 and M0.1 for SCADA interventions. So we'll give command and M0.0 and M0.1 will work through SCADA and our output will be on and off through it. I'll go ahead and save it. Now I'll go to options, simulating modules. I'll maximize it, and as you can see, we do have CPU, IB, QB, MB. It makes the PLC simulation run. This is our input of physical input. This is our output, and this is our memory bit. Please do remember, we do have a default MPI DP local address IP address here. We'll be using. Now we'll add a simulator module. This is a simulator module. Okay, it's up and running. Now we'll go in here, download it online, onto simulator, run, and we'll see if the contacts are functioning properly. So our program is working properly. Now we'll use net to PLC SIM. Please remember to run it as an administrator. We'll click yes. Okay, we'll add then network IP address. We'll add virtual. Okay, we'll add 190 169 254 62 200. Okay, and our PLC SIM address. Okay, so right now we'll close this. No, and come back here. We'll select this 192.168.0.1 and we'll click OK and we'll start server. The PLC SIM address, this address can be found here on the SIM portal. Here, as you can see, IP 192.168.0.1. We'll click here, all is on top. Minimize this also, close this. Okay. We'll go into PLC program, we'll download it online, we'll run it, and we'll minimize this. We'll go into Cape server. Yes. Now we'll add a channel. um, Siemens TCP IP Ethernet. I'll name it as Siemens, and our adapter is default. We'll finish it. We'll add a device. I'll specify device name as S7 underscore 300. You can specify any other name also, and I'll select the PLC module. Right now we are simulating S7 300 module, so select that, and we do have to add a IP address. Which IP address will add here? We'll add this IP address: 169.254.62 and 200. 169.254.62.200. So as you can see, we have matched this address 169.254.62.200, and go with it. We do have finished the project. Now we'll add tags. Start. Its address is M0.0. Okay. I'll add another tag. It will be stop. Its address will be M0.1. Okay. And we'll have output, and its address is Q0.0. And okay. So now we'll give alias. I'll give alias name as Siemens SIEM, and it is mapped to S7300. Okay, and okay. I'll go here, right click and properties, fast link, yes, and OPC UA, allow anonymous login. I'll click yes, apply, okay. Now I'll just initialize it. I'll go here, and I'll just run quick client to check the connectivity. We do have outputs here, as you can see: stop, start, output. I'll open this, and I'll open quick client. So now if you can see, I'll start it from here. I'll write value 1 and apply. As you can see, our M0.0 is on, and I'll again write 0. Okay, our M0.0 is off. Now to turn off the output, I'll load the value of M0.1. So I'll give input here. I'll put 1, apply, and now I'll give input 0, apply. Okay. So now our basics is done. What we'll do is we'll open Intouch. Yes, we'll create a new one. Let's suppose let's name it S300. Okay, so S300 is created. I'll open it. New S300. Okay, so our window is open. Now we'll go in wizards. I'll take switches, fix your switches, and I'll place it here. I'll control plus C, and I'll do control plus V, and I'll put it here. And now I'll take lights. Let's suppose a circular light. I'll place it here. I'll make it maximize. I'll save it. I'll double click. I'll give it tag name as output, and okay. We'll have to define output. Okay. Memory type. We'll select memory type. I would script. Okay. Access name. We will have to create an access name. I'll add access name. Our access name will be our alias name. I'll copy paste this. Control plus C. Okay, I'll go here. I'll access SIEM. Our topic name will be SIEM, and our application name will be server runtime. You can find that here also. Application name server runtime. I'll just copy paste it and I'll paste here. We'll use suit link. Okay, close. And we can either use tag name as item name, or we can specify here q0.0. Make, I'll do both. I'll show you both. So right now I'll use tag name as item name. I'll save and I'll close it. I'll make it maximize. Okay, so now I'll give start, enter. I'll define start. Its memory type is IO discrete. Okay, SIEM, and we'll use tag name as name. Save, close. Again, stop, enter, enter. IO discrete. Okay, tag name. Okay, close. I'll save. We'll go in runtime. Now, if you can see, I'll make the circuit off. So our circuit is off. I'll make the circuit on. Our circuit is on. This is it. This is the basic. Now I'll go in development. Now I'll add a button. I'll copy paste it. So now I'll make a discrete value and I'll give it S1. Okay. So our S1 is discrete IO and I have given it M0.0. I'll close it. Okay. I'll substitute string. I'll name it as S1 and I'll select discrete value and I'll select S2. If you can see, I have already described here. Okay. Now S2 I would discrete M0.1, close. Okay. I'll substitute string as S2. Okay. I'll go in runtime. Okay, so if you can see now, I'll open this. Also, I'll open this. I'll press S1. Our program is running. I'll press S2. It is off. So if you can see, we can use both. We can use tag name as item name, as we have used keep server as an intermediate, or we can use the memory bit we have used. Both ways it's going to work. Thank you for watching, guys.